Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat my AI not working issue. So guys, let's get start this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, first of all update the Snapchat app. So for this go to App Store, tap on the profile icon in the right corner, scroll down, so check for updates and simply search Snapchat. Here is Snapchat. So guys, if you have not updated, so I have the latest version of Snapchat. And then after this, the next solution is subscribe to Snapchat Plus. So for this, we go to Snapchat, uh, go to Snapchat and tap on profile icon, tap on Snapchat Plus. So tap on next and subscribe this. And if you don't want to subscribe, here are the some simple other solution. So for this, and then after this, the next solution is clear your Snapchat app cache. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, scroll down and find Snapchat here. So here is Snapchat, tap on it and simply tap on offload app and tap on offload and reinstall it again. And then after this, the next solution is, and the last solution is, log out of Snapchat and log in back again and reach out to Snapchat support team and talk with them to ask to enable your AI and tell them your issue. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.